Sekwesikhathi sokuthi ke uVusi noGcina bakhokhele onke amacala abo bebewenza ke emndenini wakwaDlamini njengoba ke umndeni umcasukela uGcina ngalokho kwenzeke kuNomalanga kanti ke uJabu ngapha ungena ngaye ke uVusi ukuthi ke ayiphindiselele ngokwenziwa umndeni wakwaDlamini ke emndenini wakhe. Uvelephi yena guys kuzosa ngokunye mayibona ukuthi uqiniso akuyena lo muntu ke athi uyena kuye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and Dlamini from the 30th of September to the 2nd of October 2024 on Monday. Kwanzo's shocking revelation about Gcina and Vusi find support from an unlikely ally. Njengaye Nphetheni gives uVusi an ultimatum. Some guess big reveal takes an emotional Vuma by surprise on Tuesday. Gcina sins finally catch up with her. Vuma's heart is warmed as Samge proved to be a godsend. Elsewhere, Velephi and Qiniso are adamant about building a career out of Velephi's dance skills on Wednesday. Taking advantage of a vulnerable Vusi, Jabu get chance to dig for dating. Meanwhile, Samge makes an impression on Balenja. Sipho feels abandoned by Velephi. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.